Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. So in today's video I'm going to explain what Memefi coin is all about and how to go ahead and navigate on their page. So before I go ahead and start showing you or explaining simple things about the whole interface and everything, I'm going to drop my referral link in description below in case you haven't started mining Memefi. You can actually go ahead and use my referral link in the description below and in the first comments below. All right, so with that said, let's go into today's video. So as you can see right here, the first thing you want to do is once you get to your dashboard, your Memefi dashboard, it looks kind of complicated and weird because of how it's designed. So basically, in order for you to understand, the first thing you need to understand about the project is you need to kill the boss, or let me say you need to kill the boss, which is this boss you're actually seeing right here, this person right here. And this person right here, this is his life. It's more of like you're playing a game. Imagine you are playing a game of Mortal Kombat, whereby you're fighting with another character and you need to kill the character in order for you to win. So in order for you to win, you have to kill this character, and if you kill this character, you're going to level up. All right, so that's just it. And if you click on the level, if you click on this level, you're going to see different levels. So you can see right now, currently I'm in level 3. I've completed level 1, 2, I'm in level 3 right now, and the level 3, you can see the health is around 2 million. And if I finish this, I'll go to level 4. So if you click on the next level, you're going to see different levels and different amounts of coins you need to in order for you to beat that level. So let me explain something also. So this amount you are also seeing here, this health you are seeing here, is not just an health, it's also coins, total amount of coins you also need. All right, so you need this amount of coins, and the amount of coin, this 2 million coin, is going to be added to this my 4 million here. Or let me say, since I have less than 2 million here, I have about 1.7 million. 1.7 million is going to be added to this my coin right here, which is going to give me about 6 point something, right? I say 6.1 million right here. So in order for you to which is going to ask there, right? So in order for you, so it doesn't mean that the level here is you're just wasting it or you're wasting your time on it. This is going to be your coin also. So you can also use your coin to do a lot of stuff like boost your character. Currently I have a tap boot, which is very, very helpful in terms of helping you to kill the boss really, really fast. All right, so you can see right now my bot is still running. So your bot runs for about 3 hours. So I just started a new bot right now, which you can see right here, which is it right here. So I started this Telegram bot it's always for 3 hours. All right, so once it starts, it's 3 hours. So you can see I think I've spent about 5 minutes already when I tap this, when I activated the bot again. So the bot is going to mine some amount of coins, and once it mines an amount of coins, once you click on claim, it's going to show you it's going to minus what that bot has claimed, minus it from this your life, from the health right here. So once you minus it, you're going to be able to enjoy a lot of stuff. So if I tap on this, you can see where currently my tapping is giving me around 11. So if you want to boost that, you have to come to damage and click on improve damage. So you can see my damage, enough for me to improve my damage, I spent about 1 point something million of that coin. So if I go back and click on tap, you can see now I can kill this boss for 12, which is 12. You can see right now 12. So if I click on boost again, I can also boost more. So I can boost the energy caps and all those kind of stuff. So I've maxed the recharging speed. All right, so I've maxed my recharging speed. So I can keep on tapping. You can see, so if you notice my recharging speed has increased. Where's your recharging speed? Your recharging speed is down here. So you can actually tap, and once you exhaust the 05,000, you have to wait, which might be a little bit small, but it's also cool to make use of it. So there are a lot of cool things in this same home page that you can actually leverage to get more coins. So how do you get more coins? You get more coins by tapping on this stuff. It always give you like 50 free spins every day. So if you click on it, it looks like this. So you can see my coin is 3.8 million right now. So if I hold this spin button and I leave it, it's going to start mining more coins. So let's watch this coin for a little bit. You notice that my coin is at the top is increasing. As you can see, the coin at the top is already increasing. So you can see it's increasing. So just watch it for a minute. So once you exhaust your spin, you won't be able to spin again. All right, so you can see my coin is let's just wait till it gets to about you can see I got to 4 million. So let me stop, so I'll just stop and go back. So you can see I say now I have 4 million back again. So there are a lot of stuff you can actually do just to get more coins. As you can see, you can get more coins. So that's it. I think I've explained. You can also use this turbo boost. So I have about 13 turbo boosts right now, so I'll click on that. So if you want to activate your turbo boost, if you tap on it, tap on this turbo boost you have here. Once you tap on it, you can kill this boss by 120. So you can say that I can kill him by 120, which is going to give you more boost. All right, instead of having to use 10, instead of having to use 10 or having to use 12, depending on your damage percent. So you can say that I think it's ended already. So I'll come back to stats. On the stats, you can see your level. Currently I'm in gold, which is understandable. All right, so you can see the number of users on this gold currently. And also if you come to end, you can also do like some simple tasks like watch this. You can, like this kind of tasks that you normally do on other Telegram mining apps. So once you're done with that, you can scroll down, you can get all this stuff. So once you're done with that, you can come to end, you can come to invite. Sorry, you can do all this stuff. You can invite your friends. So if you want to, like I say, I have 0 invites right now. So if you're watching this video and you haven't joined, you can use my referral link below for you to join. And for wallet, it's very easy for you to connect to wallet. It says connect your wallet. It says you have to create a new wallet. Memefi token listing is coming soon, so create a wallet. So I think I'll make a separate video concerning connecting your wallet on Memefi. So for now, I just want to make a video concerning how to go ahead and interact with the Memefi coin. So if you click on this other one, right here, this other one allows you to connect your on-chain wallet. On-chain wallet, if you don't know what on-chain wallet is all about, it's more of like connecting your collecting the Telegram wallet. Telegram wallet is actually the ton wallet that you guys have been making use of, right? So if I click on open Telegram, it's going to connect if I click on open Telegram, it's going to open Telegram for me and connect my wallet. All right, it's just a very simple stuff. So it says connect wallet, so I can click on connect and it's going to connect, and I can go back and it's done. So it's telling me to make a transaction, all those kind of stuff. So I don't want to make any transaction right now. Let me cancel this. So so I think that's it. So if you come back here to shop, you can actually do all this stuff. But that's if you're on the Telegram premium, you can do all this stuff and get more stuffs, all right, which is really, really cool. And you can also join clans. You can join clans, but I don't have any clan right now. But I think I'll just create a clan. I don't have any clan right now, so I'll just it's asking me for my Telegram community. I don't want to do that right now, but I think maybe in my next video, when I'm creating videos about the Memefi wallet, then I can share my clan referral link. So I think that's all on everything you need to know about Memefi as a beginner if you're just coming to Memefi for the first time. So I think that's it, guys, for this video. Enjoy, and don't forget to like and also forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.